Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to show you how to upgrade the firmware on SENTRON devices using the free Power Config software. So firstly we need to connect to the device and we need to search for it. Make sure that we've got the correct interface selected. Today I'm using an Ethernet cable. Once it's found the device, if you connect it to the internet, it will show you if there is an available update. So we can click on that and then this will open up the link to the site portal website where we can download the firmware. Once we've downloaded that, we can then bring the device into our project. Once it's in the project, we can click into it and we can make changes here. But to do the firmware upgrade, we're going to simply right click on the device, go to Device, Update, Device Firmware. Then we just select the file that we previously downloaded. So the firmware upgrade has been successful there. The pack meter is now just rebooting. Okay, so the update was successful. Now the power config shows that the online and offline has a discrepancy there because we have different firmware upgraded now. So we're just going to upgrade the project. And to confirm that, if we research, we can now see the pack meter has an up-to-date version. There we have it, that's how we upgrade via Power Config. Now alternatively, the PAC 4220 does allow you to do it via the web server. So if we type the IP address into our web browser, we can go down into settings and then we can do a firmware upgrade here. Thank you for watching.